Welcome to a 2019 Mazda CX-5 oil life reset video. First thing you want to do is turn your key on, engine off. Do not press the brake pedal if you have a push button start. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to come over to your center display right here. Once your middle display loads up fully all the way, you're going to go all the way over to your settings. Actually, my bad. I meant to say you need to go all the way over to your applications. You're going to go down to vehicle status monitor. You're going to go to maintenance. All using this tab right here. And you go down to oil change. You want to change it to, depending on what you do. This person likes it at 4,000, so you keep it at 4,000. And you go down to reset. Are you sure you want to reset? Yes. And then boom, oil life is 7,500 miles now. So all we have to do, your oil life is reset in a 2019 Mazda CX-5. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, and subscribe.